Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can see volume on TradingView app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First, I assume that you have already downloaded the TradingView app on your PC. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface of the TradingView app on the screen. And make sure you are already logged in as well. And now once you do that, you can see there is a chart of this EUR/USD in here. So if you want to see the volume of this chart, then you can see there is a indicators option as on in the screen. And you simply need to click on this one and you will be able to find tons of the strategies and indicators in this section successfully. So you simply need to search for it. So let's search for the volume, which is provided by the TradingView by default. So you can see the volume in here. So let's click on it and yeah, you'll be able to add it to your chart successfully. So let me close this one for now. And you can see I have successfully added the TradingView volume in this chart successfully. So, and yeah, if you want to delete it, then you can basically hover in here. And you can see there is a three options: hide, settings, and delete. So you simply need to click on the delete, or you can also click on this one, remove objects, and you'll be able to delete it successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can see volume on TradingView app on your PC. And if you're still encountering an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.